Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very handy tool in EasyEDA Pro, find similar objects. When you are working on a PCB, you often need to check or edit multiple components that share the same type, like a group of resistors, capacitors, or a bunch of wires and pads with the same structure. And that's where this feature saves you a ton of time. Using it is a super simple. On the PCB canvas, first select the component or object you want to use or as a reference. For example, a 10K resistor. Then right-click, open the menu, and choose Find. You can also just press Ctrl F, which does the same thing. A search setting window will pop up. Here, you can choose how you want to match objects. Equal. Find component with exactly the same properties. Contents. It can only be found one part of the content matches. Or ignore difference and use a more relaxed matching rule. Then you set your actual condition. For example, resistance name equal 10K. After setting, click Find All. The system will highlight all matching objects at once. Super clear and super fast. Overall, find similar objects is great for batch checking and batch editing. Whether you are cleaning up silk screen, aligning components, or verifying resistor and capacitor values, it can dramatically speed up your workflow. That's for today's lesson. Hope this little trick helps you work faster in your PCB designs. See you in the next class.